My name's Norm and I'm with 128 Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electric. We are going over the basic functions today of the remote controls for Mitsubishi Ductless Split. This remote operates probably 90% of the units on the market. First and foremost, as we open the bottom door on this, you grab the two sides and squeeze and pull downwards, and you'll have your two batteries in here. There's two AAA batteries, highly recommended to replace yearly. Once the batteries have been replaced, there is a reset button down here that you can see right where my finger's pointing. You can depress it with a ballpoint pen or a pencil. Very important to do so the system functions properly. After that, you can slide the door back on in place. We'll leave this bottom section open because it shows you where all the functions are overall. This is our power button, on-off button. So I'm going to depress this button once and I'm going to go through the mode settings itself. The first one will be when I press for the mode button itself, you'll see a snowflake, and that's going to be for cooling itself. The next function itself, we depress mode, will show a teardrop, and that teardrop is for humidity. When it's extremely humid outside, it's very important to run this function because it'll help to dehumidify the space and runs a longer and a deeper cycle. The next mode function itself shows you a sun. This is for the heat mode during your winter operation. These remotes also have your fan selector speeds. In the top or in the middle section, you can see the picture of a fan itself. Currently, the fan is showing 4 bars. Those 4 bars indicate the fan's current speed. I will depress the fan button once. You'll see an icon that's showing up on the right-hand side of the fan. That's in an auto mode. This function works 90% of the time very well, but during summertime operation with high humidity and high temperatures, per the manufacturer, they indicate to us that we should request customers run their fan speeds on medium or high speed for better efficiency. But you're allowed to toggle through your fan speeds as you can see the change. Also, our next function is the turning vanes, which allow the system to modulate the turning vanes as the air blows out, whether the air blows higher across the ceiling or down lower to the floor. Some of your units are set up and have what they call a wide vane inside the unit, and I'll point into it in here. There's a controller that oscillates back and forth, allowing the unit to cycle, just like an oscillating fan would in your home, to allow better airflow throughout the room. But not all units have this function. These units are also set up and have a timer if you choose to have it set up so you want to have it turn on at a certain time or shut off at a certain time. Obviously, as you increase in temperature, the unit will work off the set point of what you're requesting to have done to gain comfort in your home. That's it for today, folks. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to 128 and we'll assist you any way we possibly can. Have a great day. Thank you.